Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and on this channel we talk about all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. You can also find me over on Instagram at Luxe Petite, where you can often find me styling my beige and brown handbags. Okay guys, in today's video, I have a double Celine unboxing. I am so excited because these are both pieces from old vintage Celine. I think I might have mentioned a little bit on my channel before. I'm so excited because you know this channel, we love Celine. So let's get right into the unboxing. So the first item is a handbag from, I'm gonna say vintage Celine. This is a bag that I've talked about on my wish list, but the new version. So this bag in particular, I was looking at it in more of an everyday types of bag that I think would be a great shoulder bag moment. But anyways, let me just show you my vintage Celine. And we have the Ava bag. This is the Ava bag and vintage Celine denim. You cannot find this in the stores, and it's just super chic, and I love the denim vibes with this one. I've been looking for a denim bag for a while. You know, I love Celine and I thought this would be the perfect piece, perfect for summer. I really love it. It's just totally giving the whole Y2K type of vibes. So if you recall from an earlier wish list video, I talked about adding the Ava, but in a beige, it was like a gray, the grayish version. It's still out there. Maybe I might add it one day, but I thought this was really great to have this find. I did pick it up from Vestiaire Collective, this one in particular. This one piece, I'll show you, it's in terms of any pockets or anything, you do have it's like an open pocket and it's a zipper here. So pretty smooth zipper. There is this patch here, you can see. I think it's great. I just really love the denim, kind of edgy, casual, chic vibes this bag gives. It's something different than probably like new Celine, and I really love this one. What do you guys think? Are you guys loving the denim vibes of this? Let me know. But I think it's so good. The next handbag, this one is also from old Celine. This is one of the last handbags from Phoebe Philo's collection days. I love the show they had this in. I actually have two of my creator friends, Mary's Room and Layla Sophia. I love their channels and they have this bag too, if that's anywhere of a hint. And I know if you guys watch my channel, you're probably watching theirs too, and they have amazing style. So I am happy to be part of this club. I think when you guys see this handbag, you will understand why I picked this up, but it's such a statement bag and I'm super excited. And yes, it is another brown bag to the collection of neutrals, but of course I was trying to decide if I really wanted this particular shade, and it does come in other shades like white, and I've seen like a lighter beige, but every time I've seen this handbag I keep going back to the brown handbag. This one, Old Celine, I'm kind of obsessed. But I also have a little bit of a story time to tell you. I know, just get to the reveal already. But this one, it just happened one day where I was on Vestiaire Collective and I saw it and I had to get it, this handbag, because I felt like, guys, again, the Phoebe Philo era of Celine, and I think it makes so much sense because I have this amazing pouch. I have the white eyelet bag too. So this is, I feel like it just helps with the whole trifecta. Maybe I need to grab this after I reveal this. But anyways, you guys, this is so good. And it's such a Jamie bag. I'm kind of obsessed. Here we are. The excitement. The reveal. I'm loving this. The Celine clasp bag. Isn't this so iconic? So my collection. Obsessed with everything about this handbag. Okay, so good. So Mary's Room, she has this in the red. Layla Sophia, she has this in the beautiful green. And I'm just loving that now I can be part of this Celine class club with my lovely ladies. And this is the brown version. I mean, I'm kind of like dying inside because I finally have this. And honestly, sometimes when you find these things on pre-love, because you can't find this in current Celine boutiques. This is totally Phoebe Philo era. But yeah, I just felt so lucky to find this one. It's got the clasp, hence clasp bag, and it's got a zipper pocket. and then it's got the two sides on it. But let me show you. You can see a little bit of the logo right there at the bottom there, and it's pretty minimal in terms of branding. There's nothing on the back. It's all smooth leather here. It's got the little compartments here. Very much a statement bag. So this bag, want to give you a little bit of a story. When I received this bag from Vestiaire, the handle came off. I was never had that before, and I did not see that in the description. I was just like, I love this bag, but, and it's in amazing condition as you can see here, but the handle, I was, and then also there was like a little bit of a tiny scuff. So what I did is I reached out to Rago Brothers. Some of you may be familiar. Never tried them before, but let me tell you, their service was amazing. So transparent, so easy, and I will link that below for y'all because I highly recommend. I will take more of my handbag repairs if there is anything to them. I decided to go with them because the handle was off and seeing if they could do anything with the little scuff here, which again, being a pre-loved bag, I was like, it's fine if I've got the scuff there, but hopefully they could help the bag. So the process was pretty seamless. I submitted to get a quote and they provided me a quote for under $200. And if I was comfortable with that, once I took the picture, submitted that, right, then I could send it in to New Jersey. So submitted it, they gave me the quote, and I sent the bag off via like FedEx or UPS. You submit your tracking, you could see it, again, pretty seamless. And then it came back like this week, and this handle looks like perfection. And even the scuff, I'm not sure, it's really faint, guys, but before, I'll try to see if I can put a picture of what I sent the Rago Brothers so you can see the handle and the little scuff, but I think they did an amazing job on it. I mean, you can see a little tiny bit there, but the leather on this, it just looks so good. The handle looks amazing. I'm super pleased. So let me know what you guys think. This is a type of handbag that's definitely like more of a statement, and you can crooked your arm type of handbag. I probably wouldn't really wear it much on the shoulder, even though 5'2" petite I could, but I'm most likely gonna just crook my arm and just hold it probably. I think this is such a fun handbag to style. And let me grab you my other one here. And this is, to me, this is a lot more casual type of vibes. But what I would love to do is bring you guys my trifecta of old Celine Phoebe Philo, because those of you that love Phoebe Philo as much as I do will probably enjoy this moment. So let me grab those three. Okay guys, the gang is all here. Here we go. My clasp bag, and then we have the eyelet bag, and then my clutch bag. Isn't this amazing? I'm obsessed. So what's your favorite between the three? You know the clutch is one of my all-time favorites because this is such a unique piece, but I'm kind of obsessed with all three of these. Anyways, you guys let me know your thoughts below. I hope you enjoyed today's Celine double unboxing. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I will be back in a new video. Okay guys, thank you and take care.